It's a holiday. I got hoes on hoes and
hey, my day ones, it's the one and only day Michelle, and I'm back with another Vlogmas video. This is a what I eat in a day, realistically. Starting off, of course, with my Magic Mind potions, little shots, little morning shots that I take to increase my productivity, take away my stress levels, also help with my eating levels. Since I've been taking these, it came with 15. I'm on like day 8, I think. Since I've been taking these, I've noticed an increase in my productivity. I've noticed, like, even though I smoke, I'm not as sluggish. So yeah, that was that. And this was around like 6 o'clock. I told y'all I really don't be eating like that. But the thing is, I should have known that Jesus was trying to tap me on my shoulder and tell me when I was struggling to open this damn pack not to do this shit. Okay, starting out with some strawberry cake mix. I don't know what it is, but I've been craving the hell out of strawberry and peppermint for the past 2-3 weeks. No, I'm not pregnant. But I was like, okay, I got the idea to make strawberry cookies. And it looked easy on TikTok. But slowly but surely, I'm going to realize that I have fucked up. So I'm pouring that cake mix in there. And it smells so good. It has my house smelling heavenly. And take some vegetable oil. I didn't measure nothing. I poured until my ancestors said stop. And I didn't want to make the whole box of cake mix, so I knew I was going to use less ingredients. Excuse the stain on my shirt. I just noticed that. They look so dirty. Now I'm going to take 1 egg. If I was making a whole box, I would take 3 eggs. But like I said, I only made a little bit. I'm taking 1 egg. Now I'm taking a bottle of water. And pouring it in there. Just mixing it all together. It smells so good. It tasted real good too. I call it look like Pepto-Bismol. There I go, rough as hell. Rough as hell. Cake mix ain't doing nothing to me. And I'm just showing you what it looked like. It was like, y'all, it ended up tasting so good. It's just, I'm about to explain in just a second. And of course, who would I be if I didn't add extra sugar like you ain't already seen? Just a bowl full of diabetes now. So this is when I knew I fucked up. Like I said, I was trying to make strawberry cookies. And I felt like, okay, well, I could just, do like I do pancakes and just, do a dollar here, a dollar there. And then I just thought about it. I need cookie dough. Like, not to mention I forgot to grease my pan down too. So you gonna see me get real frustrated and just pour everything in me, and it's just like, I'm just gonna make strawberry brownies. They was still good though. I still ate it. I don't care. It was nice and they was fluffy. But next time, see, I got frustrated. Next time, I need cookie dough. And keep in mind, y'all, I'm not a baker. I've never been a baker. This is when I feel like Jesus was trying to tell me, just stick to, fries and shit. And, shit like that. I'm not a baker at all. I barely even eat sweets. Like I said, this is just been a craving of mine. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm not a baker at all. Never have been. So anyways, I ended up just putting the cake in the oven, the brownies in the oven. Preheated the oven to 350, put it in the oven for 30 minutes. That's how it looked. It was so good, and then I had cut it. Don't talk about my scores, y'all. I'm left-handed. But yeah, I gave y'all a little slow-mo, because yeah, it was real fluffy, and it was real good, and I enjoyed it. But see, if I would have known what I know, I would have bought some damn frosting. But child, at this point, I was tired, and I was waiting on my real food to come. So, but it was good. It was good. I don't care. Looks are deceiving. And then to end my night, I just had a California roll from a Japanese restaurant up the street from my house. And it was so good. Look how pretty it is. I don't know what that pink stuff is right there, because it was so good. It's pickled something. I want to say it's pickled ginger or something. But yeah, I also had some miso soup with some mushrooms, some scallions, some bok choy. And this was the star of the show, baby. These spring rolls with the sweet and sour sauce was so good. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you in my next one.